Hey, what's up, you guys? It is Monday, August 9th, 2021. Got to remind ourselves that. But yeah, we're just leaving Wolf Creek Recreation Area, and we are headed to Marshalltown. Look how filthy. You guys probably noticed already. Prowler and Bear are. Bear's not as bad. Prowler has not been washed since we bought it. All up in that Flagstaff dust and that. Look at those wheels. So we're gonna go wash and head to Decorah. Be right back.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for happiness.
Hey guys, we're in Pulpit Rock City Park here on the south side of Decorah. Bear's clean and the Prowler's clean. Oh my gosh, they feel so good. They drove better up here, and yeah, look at this. We got a trout stream right behind us. Look at that clear water. We're gonna go down and check that out after supper. There's Lisa, hot baked Italian. We got some grilled pork chops. What else we got?
Spaghetti squash and baby red potatoes.
That looks good. All right, tomorrow we're planning on going to where are we going?
Burr Oak, one of the living places of Laura Ingalls Wilder, and when she was a child, about 9 years old. So we're gonna go visit that place and then do a little more exploring around there.
Yep. So we're gonna show you guys Laura Ingalls Wilder. Too many.
Laura Ingalls Wilder.
We're gonna show you her place that she lived for a while. We'll see you tomorrow morning. Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Hot Baked Italian's birthday today. We're just going on a little hike before we get on with the birthday day. We're going up to the city park's name is Pulpit Rock State Park. So we're gonna go up and it looks like it's a half-mile loop. Go up and show you guys the Pulpit Rock. Okay, boom. I'm guessing that's it. Kind of a cool little trail here. Oh. Yeah, it looks like a pulpit. Preacher be standing back there preaching this way. Just notice this coming around the corner. And we go higher. Oh, there's a breeze. It's only about 70 degrees right now, 9 o'clock in the morning. But what was the humidity?
99 when I got up this morning.
99% humidity, believe it or not. So yeah, sticky. Tuesday, August 10th, 2021. You don't want to misstep on here. Oh. What kind of view are we gonna have up here? Oh, there we go. Beautiful. There's the Pulpit Rock. That river is the Upper Iowa River, city of Decorah. And the campground is right down here. You see a camper through there.
Hi there. We just arrived at Burr Oak, a small little town outside of Decorah. So small it has less than 200 people is the population here. But it is known for being one of the homes of Laura Ingalls Wilder. If any of you are familiar with her, she's a children's author that grew up here in this part of the country, wrote books, children's books about her life as she grew up. One of them being here at the Masters Hotel. So this used to be a hotel that her and her family took care of, or her parents took care of. She was only 9 years old here. So we have to go to the brick building across the street to start the tour. So let's go see what that's all about, and we'll show you a little bit of it.
And if you guys, if some of you might not be familiar with Laura Ingalls Wilder, she was on Little House on the Prairie. That was her family that came here and managed this hotel.
Right, so the TV show was based on her books.
Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass.
Okay, so this is the journey that Laura and her family made. You can see down here what they traveled in their wagon. And we're going to go into the museum here shortly, but we're just going to show you just a little bit here and there. We're not going to show you a big part of the museum, and just give you a little taste of what it looks like, and hopefully you'll have the chance to come visit.
Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why, I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. Oh.
All right, so we just wrapped up the tour, and we hope you enjoyed it. We just showed little bits and pieces of it because we wanted to leave a little bit of suspense for you to make you want to come and check it out yourself. It is very interesting. It really shows the way the pioneers lived, and especially Laura Ingalls Wilder and her family. It's actually a lot of items from her life are in it, and others are period items, so things that maybe she weren't connected her directly, but during that time frame. So it was very interesting. We want to give a special thank you to the ladies at the visitor center and our tour guide. Very helpful, very nice, very knowledgeable, and it was just a real pleasant time talking to them in the gift shop and on the tour. So thank you again to the ladies at the visitor center. Anyway, thank you for being with us, and we will see you soon.
Hey guys, this is Tony. We met Tony in Barney's Bar and Grill after our tour of the museum here. Nice, good to meet you, Tony. Thanks for the tips. Okay, so we are about 18 miles, almost straight south of Decorah in our campsite, and we heard about this. It's advertised online as the world's smallest church. Not this. This. It'll hold a congregation of 8. Oh,
Yeah, 8.
Go ahead. You want to tell them about it?
Yeah, just kind of interesting here that it was a vow from a mother saying that back in 1849, if her son, who was drafted into the French army and served under Napoleon, returned safely from the Russian campaign, that she would build this little chapel. And obviously he returned safely. The chapel was built. He is actually buried here too, in the little cemetery off in the back or on the side, which we'll find. So it was actually, had 3 different people donated money to help get this chapel built in the bell tower.
Okay, let's see if anybody's home. I kind of hope not. It's little. It's like a 1-car garage. We'll come out and see the cemetery here shortly. I'm always wary about coming into this place. Stays open all the time. Oh, there's a donation box. We should maybe donate something.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hello? Oh, looky there. Stained glass in memory of M. Gardner. Wow, that's some old stained glass too. Look at this. Wow. You know, I was talking when we were at the house barn, how it smelled old. This has that same old smell. Wow. Don't touch the objects on the altar. No problem, I won't. Hi, Jesus, my Savior. Stars painted on the ceiling. I don't know if they're like reflective, like the ones you put in your kid's bedroom. Oh, I guess here I'm preaching to the choir again. What do we got back here for books?
Here's the old sign-in book. These are old record books. These are people who have come and visited. Got back in '88. Wow. Way back. That's 85. These are all record books on the top here.
Just people that have been here? My glasses on.
Okay, this is back when this is 68.
Wow. This is the most recent one right here, huh?
Yeah, just signed us in.
Oh, you did? Mm-hmm. Cool. Jay and Lisa, Phoenix, Arizona.
61. Wow, this is crazy.
Wednesday, August 11th, 2021.
Look at this. This is 1939, 1940. The handy day book. I mean, that's a bunch of history right there. Jeez.
Somebody's calling this the world's smallest church. As you saw, the sign over there does not say that. It says smallest church. But just a little perusing the internet before we came out here. There's one in Oneida, New York, that was built in 1989, so just 35 years ago, and it holds 3 people. Apparently they've done 1 wedding in there. The preacher and the bride and the groom were the only 3 that could fit in there, I guess. So they claim to be the smallest, which technically they are, but it's just built in I mean, this was built.
The oldest.
Yeah,
I think this is gonna be the oldest.
This would be the oldest, and this was actually built as a little church, you know, rather than kind of a stunt. But you know, I guess Oneida can claim it. So anyway, on to the next adventure, or next quirky, or next historic, or whatever. Okay, yep, guess what we found? Leaving the world's smallest church, or quote, around the smallest, we found the Winneshiek County Freedom Rock. Yeah. So let's see what they got on here. This is probably one of the simplest little memorials here, but it's still nice. Still nice. It doesn't have to be big. Honor, service, sacrifice. Firefighters never die, they just burn forever in the hearts of the people whose lives they saved. Huh, yeah, that's nice. Staff Sergeant, Army Air Corps, World War II. Thank you, Peter. Thank you, John, for your service. I should point out, you know, that would be the from the Winneshiek tribe. This is Winneshiek County. Yeah, we'll keep these a little short, quick. But yeah, the Freedom Rock. God bless America. Okay, you guys, we're going to end this video here. We still got a really interesting one. My favorite part of Decorah is coming up in the next video. But yeah, we're finding some things to do and see around here. You know, you guys know, learning what we look for: quirky, historic, interesting, anything that really catches our eye. And we try to think outside the box too, that maybe somebody else might be interested in it. But appreciate you guys. Share this with like-minded people. For some reason, it seems like my views are going down. Subscribers are going up, views are going down. And I've got a little theory on that, because I did a survey for YouTube. But anyway, love you guys. Like, hit that notification bell and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. We will see you again in just a few days from Decorah with my favorite thing from Decorah. We'll see you then.